If you're in California and want to get a custom license plate, the easiest way is to order it online. This process is only for brand new plate requests, not for renewals or replacements. For those, you'll need to fill out a paper form called REG17 and submit it by mail or in person. Before you start the online order, make sure you have your vehicle's registration card nearby. You'll need a few details from it, like the license plate number and VIN, to complete your request. Also, check that your mailing address is up to date with the DMV. If you recently moved, fill out a Notice of Change of Address form, which is DMV 14. Give it about 72 hours to process before placing your plate order. When you're ready, go to the DMV website and click the Order Personalized Plates button on the left. You'll be able to choose from a list of available plate styles, like environmental, legacy, or special interest plates, and then enter the custom text you want on the plate. You can check if your idea is available right there. Once you pick your plate and confirm everything looks good, you'll pay the required fee using a credit or debit card. Just keep in mind, there's a small processing fee added, about 1.95%. After you've placed the order, your new plates will be mailed to the address on file. So again, it's important that your address is current to avoid delays. That's really all there is to it.